Welcome to module number 2, What is Python? In this module, you'll be given a bird's eye view of the Python programming language. You'll also encounter lots of new terminology for both Python and computer programming in general. You'll learn what a computer programming language is and what a computer program is as well. You'll also learn about the Python language interpretation, specification, and syntax. There'll be lots of new words and definitions, but not much coding in this module. The definitions that you learn here will help you feel more comfortable talking about computer programming in general and specifically with Python. Now we will go quite a bit into the syntax, which will help you code, so that aspect will directly apply to your coding. Let's begin by introducing Python's creator, Guido van Rossum. He's a Dutch man who started the project in the late 1980s. He released it in 1991. The name Python comes from the Monty Python television and comedy group. The idea there was that Python is supposed to be a fun language to use. It is fairly simple and easy to get started and is quite powerful. So that was the idea and still is, part of what Python makes it an attractive language is that it, as hopefully you'll see, it is a fun language to use. Guido is still contributing regularly to Python to this day. All right, so that's a little introduction and we'll move on in the next video.